In the digital age, the journey to financial independence might just be a click away. Welcome to the world of YouTube Shorts, where creativity meets opportunity. Unleash your talent and create engaging content. The more captivating your shorts, the more likely you are to get noticed. Remember, discoverability is key. Optimize your videos with the right tags, descriptions, and titles. The YouTube Shorts Fund is a treasure trove waiting to be unlocked. Monetize your content and let the magic begin. Promotion is crucial. Share your shorts across social media platforms. Sponsorships? They're a goldmine. Explore opportunities and expand your horizons. Consistency is your best friend here. Keep posting, keep engaging. Your audience is your greatest asset. Interact, respond, and grow together. Don't forget to track your progress. Analytics can be a game changer. Earning money with YouTube Shorts isn't an overnight success story. It's a journey, a process, and most importantly, an adventure. Dive in, the digital world awaits.